Hi, welcome to TokenClan channel. This is Warren. In today's video, we'll be talking about will Bitcoin hit all-time high in December 2020. If you are here for the first time, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the TokenClan channel and click the notification bell. I'm the author of Crypto Assets for Passive Income book. And today I'll be referencing back to my book I have written back in 2019 about Bitcoin, analyzing Bitcoin markets. And today we are 6 months after the Bitcoin halving event. So we are going to revisit all of these concepts, analysis, and as a result, attempt to understand and predict the market moving into the 2021. For some of you who are hearing me for the first time, I touch on topics that derive cryptocurrencies, a source of passive income in your cryptocurrency portfolios. And from time to time, in my monthly technical analysis, I do analyze Bitcoin market because in the cryptocurrencies market, Bitcoin is the king. At this point in time, a lot of cryptocurrencies, altcoins will move in the directions along with the big brother, which is Bitcoin. I'm doing a weekly giveaway to 1 lucky winners each week. The winner will walk away with 1 physical copy of my book and a digital course titled Cryptocurrencies for Passive Income. So I've been talking about Bitcoin halving back since 2019, and I even have a seminar talking about Bitcoin as a digital gold as the Bitcoin halving was happening in May 2020. For the full details and reference, be sure to check out the link description right below. With that, let's get started. As we all know, in this making of this video, Bitcoin is hovering at 19,000. It is well supported. It is well supported at 17,500 in December. Of course, in the starting month of December, I did a technical analysis for Bitcoin and I talked about buying it below 18,000 in the month of December. I see that the 18,000 price value for Bitcoin is a value zone below 18,000. Should you be able to get some Bitcoins? And if you are still considering about accumulating Bitcoin, be sure to watch to the end of this video because I have many important key concepts that I need to share with you. Now, before I do, I need to warn that I am not a financial advisor, and as a result, I am just sharing what I am doing in the cryptocurrencies in my Bitcoin portfolios, and you should consult for any financial matters, be sure to consult your own financial advisors for that. With that, let's put all the things, the stuff away. We'll be talking about Bitcoin price charts. Bitcoin is well supported at 18,000. In the cryptocurrencies market, everyone is talking about Bitcoin hitting all-time highs. The all-time highs established on the 2017, 2018s. It really depends on which pricing data of Bitcoin you are looking at. If you are looking at Coinbase, I believe the top was the all-time high for Bitcoin is about $19,800+. And for me, I've been working on my Bitstamp pricing data, and in this chart you see that it is roughly around the 19,600 price level. So Bitcoin has retested this level, and in very soon, I think if I could be totally wrong. So many of us in the crypto markets believe that the all-time high will be broken in December 2020, and so we are still half a month away from the end of 2020, and a lot of things can happen because Bitcoin is well supported at 1700, 1800, and 1900, and if you know, Bitcoin move when it rallies, it goes up, the prices will increase by thousands or multiples of thousands. So at the current price point, for it to break above 20,000 is just like fingers away from breaking that level. For now, we just need one big news, just one big news to drive Bitcoin prices way above and beyond the all-time high to 20k zone. And if you are still accumulating Bitcoin, I strongly encourage and urge you take action right now. This perhaps are one of the last few times to see Bitcoin at price level well below 20,000. Not long ago, I was just talking about buying Bitcoin at below 10,000, but just in a matter of months, Bitcoin have rallied and surpassed and broken a lot of resistance, and now we are at all-time high. As a result, I strongly encourage you to take action. If you are still on the sideline, you should seriously consider dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, because time is seriously not on your side. If you are just starting to accumulate Bitcoin for your portfolio, you should do something now, immediately after watching this video. Now, I'm going to revisit what I've written in my book called Cryptocurrencies for Passive Income that I have written in 2019. I have written down my thoughts and things are happening in line with what I have written. For many of you who have purchased and bought my book, you should take a look at the page 107. So this is the topic on the... I'm going to do a very quick one. Certainly I wouldn't be reading everything out in this video. So in the last chapter called Bitcoin Halving Event and why it matters to all cryptos, you should take a look at page 107 especially. In there, I make this statement in the first paragraph of 107. In the second halving event, which happened in July 2016, I'm going to share that with you on the charts. It took 6 months for Bitcoin prices to retest the previous high of USD 1,163 established on the market top in 2014. We should be expecting Bitcoin prices to retest the highs of 19,600 in 3 to 6 month time after the halving event took place in May 2020. And right now we are in December 2020. Go back to the charts right now, you know that in November, here we retested 19,600, and this statement I have penned down is in line with what the market has actually happened. Let me refer to you that when 1 year ago when at my book launch, I talked about this in full details, and of course for all the details you should get my book and read up on it. Most importantly is that when we were discussing, we were at these price marks and we have all these lines in place, and I talk about what each line represents. I talk about why the Bitcoin halving here in May, and 6 months away we are going to retest the highs of that, and this is actually happened. This has happened in November 2020, and many of us believe at the end of December we should see Bitcoin surpass the all-time high. And right now, let's shift this chart and have it populated with today's data. This was May 2019. It stops at May 19, and we started discussing in May 2019. So once I've loaded them with today's data, let's talk about it. Here in this chart, you see the prices. The charts are now populated with today's data, and you know that we are right now retesting. This is a monthly chart of the Bitcoin prices, and we are now retesting. And most importantly, the next question would be, will it surpass the all-time high? I think it's going to be very likely that we are going to see an all-time high in the month of December 2020. I'll give you one reason why. Be sure to stay to the end. So I'm going to share with you each of these data points. Here is why I strongly believe that December 2020 will be the month. Because, so in this chart, for more details on how to read this chart, you should go back to my book and I'll talk about it. So let me go back to this chart and tell you, in 2017, the major big crypto bull run, we established, the whole community brings Bitcoin prices to all-time high of 19,000. On this day, mark this date, 17 December 2017. 17 December 2017. 17 December. So I've repeated 3 times, and right now all the crypto communities are looking into 17 December 2020 will be the day where everyone will be sitting literally at the edge of our seats, feeling, will Bitcoin surpass its all-time high and go above 20,000 per Bitcoin? So I have given you all the reasons and all the data points for you to consider Bitcoin. And this will probably be one of the last few days, if not months, where we are seeing Bitcoin trading at price level well below 20,000. And with that, for people who are still accumulating Bitcoin, I urge you to buy more, hold it for at least a year, 12 months or 6 months. For people who have just started, I urge you to take massive action, do dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin in a month-to-month basis or in a week-to-week basis, whichever that works best for you. With that, I'm extremely excited, and we are just a few days away from 17 December 2020. With that, I will be watching the market. Hopefully we are correct. It's all a probability game, but if not, we'll wait till it's a matter of time when Bitcoin is going to surpass its all-time high. And we know, everyone here knows that we are already in a crypto bull market. It's just a matter of when. If it's not 17 December, I personally think it will be sometime in March next year. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you want to find out more about my weekly book and digital course giveaway, be sure to check out the links right below. Be sure to support this channel by liking and comment on this video. And with that, I am Warren. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.